Hi, my name's Xteen. I've challenged myself to cook something different every day for 30 days. Today is day 19, and we're going to be making corn ribs. It's corn, grilled in the shape of ribs, very well seasoned. I'm expecting it to be delicious. Our neighbors are coming over for a barbecue in like no time, so the theme of today's video is fast. Let's see how fast we can make these corn ribs. Nice.
Everyone's like, this is a dangerous meal to make. Oh, that's not so bad. Look at
that. Chop off the ends of the corn and then slice them lengthwise in half and then in half again. You want them to be strips with the corn bones still on. Drizzle olive oil all over these bad boys. Get in there with your hands and make sure they're all coated in oil. Look at that oily corn. Garlic powder. Paprika. Pepper. And salt.
I have to do a couple rounds.
Toss that corn!
Whoa!
And then we decided we needed to season again, but with gusto this time. Time to make a Chipotle Aioli dipping sauce.
Sorry.
Chaos.
Chaos.
This is a heaping spoonful of vegan sour cream.
How's that?
And then veganese.
It's giving mother.
And then chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. Blend it up, baby. Add a squeeze of lime. And the sauce is done. Now it's time to get those ribs on the grill. Tong them on there with the kernel side down for even grillage. Let them sit on the grill for a few minutes. When they start to curl up like this, it's time to give them a little flipperoo. Get a nice char on these puppies. Throw them all in a bowl together. We're almost done, but not quite done yet. Before serving, we're just going to toss the corn ribs in garlic butter. This is just melted butter and garlic powder. Super easy. And we're done. Fire. Okay, a little housekeeping. As promised, here's how the coffee and cream pie came out. It's time.